Losing an email message or migrating to a new Exchange server doesn't have to bring your business to a standstill. StorageCraft ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange provides fast and reliable recovery and migration of Microsoft Exchange mailboxes, email messages, and email attachments. Now you can recover individual or multiple mailboxes directly from Exchange server backups or migrate to a new Exchange server with ease. StorageCraft ShadowProtect Server or StorageCraft ShadowProtect Small Business Server backs up your Exchange database. Then, using ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange, you mount your backup EDB file to another location and view, recover, or search all of the email boxes, messages, and attachments in your database. ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange can restore an entire email box, individual messages, or attachments back to the production Exchange server or to a new or existing PST file in another location. To begin restoring, searching, or migrating with ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange, you'll first need to locate your point-in-time backup image of your Exchange server. Right-click on the image file and select Quick Mount, which will assign the next available drive letter to your ShadowProtect backup image. Now you're ready to begin using ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange. To restore lost items to your Exchange server, open ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange, and then open your production Exchange server. You'll do this by clicking File and selecting your Exchange server as the target. Next, select Open Source to locate the point-in-time backup image of your Exchange database, the EDB file, which you've already mounted and assigned a drive letter. Using the simple view, you then drag and drop entire mailboxes, email messages, or attachments from the EDB file to the Exchange server. If you need to restore many messages from a single mailbox, it may be easier to restore the entire mailbox. Any duplicate messages won't be copied to your production Exchange server. You can also restore mailboxes, email messages, or attachments to a new or existing PST file. Open ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange, and then open the PST file as the target. Locate the point-in-time mounted backup image of your Exchange database, and then drag and drop the mailboxes, email messages, and attachments to the PST file. You can also search mailboxes and email messages for e-discovery or other corporate necessity using ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange. Select the EDB file or PST file you'd like to search. Select Find under the Tools menu or click on the magnifying glass. Now type in the criteria you want to use to find specific email messages, such as specific keywords, subject matter, messages sent to or from certain domains, or messages sent within a specified time period. You can search the entire EDB file or narrow your search to selected mailboxes. When you've completed the search, you can view the results or save the messages into a PST file for later use. Because backup and migration windows are shrinking all the time, ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange makes migrating to a new Exchange server a simple process. When it's time to migrate to a new version of Exchange, take a final backup image of your Exchange server using ShadowProtect Server or ShadowProtect Small Business Server and mount that backup image file. Next, open ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange and select your new Exchange server as your target. Then, locate your final mounted image of the old Exchange server as your source. Finally, you simply drag and drop all of your mailboxes into your new production Exchange server. Migration takes minutes rather than many hours or even days. ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange also creates reports to help you administrate your Exchange server. You can create reports which analyze statistical use of Exchange. Select the source file and Create Reports. Now select all of your mailboxes, which is the default setting, or deselect all, and then manually select the specific mailboxes for which you want to run the report. Standard reports include attachment statistics, domain statistics, messages by database, messages by mailbox, and messages by date. Reports may be viewed or saved for later use. As you can see, ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange is a fast and reliable way to recover, migrate, or manage Exchange mailboxes, email messages, and attachments. For more information or to find out how to purchase ShadowProtect Granular Recovery for Exchange, please visit www.storagecraft.com/ShadowProtectGRE.